Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be working on the HP EliteDesk 800. We will be installing a 3TB hard drive into the machine. If you do not know what a terabyte is, just know that a 1 terabyte is equal to 1000 gigabit. So if a terabyte is equal 1000 gigabit, then a 3 terabyte will equal 3000 gigabit. After installing the hard drive, we will have to go into the computer and format the newly installed hard drive. Before our computer can fully recognize it, please like, share and invite other, and let us build a technological community. Thanks you all. The hard drive has been installed. Now, let us format the drive before our computer can fully recognize it. Right-click the Start menu, which located at the bottom left of your computer, and click on Disk Management. The computer give me an option between an MBR or GPT. I will choose GPT for flexibility. Now right-click on the drive, create a new partition, and follow the instructions. After that, the drive should appear under your devices and drives.